and Kip. Episode 6. The Car Driver. The car went up the track. "We're driving a car," said Kip. "I don't think I like it," said Buzz. The car went higher. Then Buzz smiled. "Wow, look at the ocean." "Kip," said Buzz, "and look at the tall building." But Kip was not looking. Kip was covered his eye. "I don't think I like this," she said. Now the car went down fast. "Whee!" said Buzz. "Ah!" said Kip. The car made a ship turn. It went up and down and up and down. It went very fast. "Is it fun?" said Buzz. "Is it not fun?" cried Kip. Suddenly, the car stopped. Kip jumped out. "That was just like flying," said Buzz. "I'm glad you have fun, Buzz," said Kip. "But I never drive a car again. Let's go home and fix your nest."